How can I become socially confident? 2 words: stop caring. I'm a very confident guy. Like, I'm the type of person who could go on stage at the Grammy Awards and sing in front of millions of people and not feel any nerves. You know why? I basically don't care if I fail or succeed. And I don't care whether people like me or hate me, either. I see life as being very short. I know I only have a small amount of time on planet Earth, and I know that ultimately, failing at something, or not being liked by someone, is pretty irrelevant. All that matters is that I live life how I want to live it, to the max. And that's what I do. The reason you're not confident is you care too much. You think social situations matter a lot, when they really don't. You think people's opinions matter a lot, when they don't. The only way you get confident is by understand none of it actually matters that much. And the world isn't going to end just because you make a mistake or make a fool of yourself. In fact, you'll find that other people, frankly, don't care what you're doing or what mistakes you're making. They're too busy focusing on their own lives. What do you think? Leave a comment and subscribe.